Good morning, everyone. Looks like we're going to get a gap up here in the markets, even with the jobless claims missing this morning. SPY is still up 0.76% going into today. Yesterday, the bulls held that support that we've been talking about here at the bottom of this consolidation. Had a big sell-off, got us into pretty close to oversold territory. Bulls were able to hold yesterday and push us higher all the way back into the 20-day moving average. Let's see if they can withstand that and continue the run back up. Otherwise, it was just a dead cat bounce, and we could see a move back down to that 50-day moving average. Below that 50-day moving average is when I start getting defensive, looking to start shorts, at least down into the 1300s. But as long as we remain above that 50-day moving average, the trend is still up, and we're going to go with the trend and still look for long positions here. The Russell is back above that 50-day moving average to see if it can hold it. It's been very oversold here after that big downturn. It should at least bounce maybe back up here into that 809 level. ELY, looking for this one to take out this little range over the yesterday's highs. Should do it. THLD started a nice bounce off this 20-day moving average. Still hasn't really moved anywhere. Look for it to take out those highs before really bouncing. WNR, gonna look for this one coming out of this range. Gonna kind of ignore that big red spike there. It just messes up the chart pattern. But it's got a nice intraday break here and on the daily chart, so it's going to break out on multiple time frames, which is strong. LF, a nice downtrend here, a nice little bull flag or wedge, whatever you want to call it. Look for it to take out that 20-day moving average for bouncing higher. This consolidation has been on low volume, which is a good sign going forward. MGAM, I didn't really think this stock moved much, but it seems to be picking up here a little bit lately. Coming out of this downtrend, volume starting to pick up here. This buy volume really starting to pick up. So this one could actually break out and run higher. BLDR, look for this break for the 52-week highs. Pretty simple range break here on this one, the 324 level. ATML, bounce off that 50-day moving average. Looks like it's going to take out that 20-day move average and then the 200. If you want to play this conservative, then just wait for it to take out that 200-day moving average, which will get rid of that downtrend. If you just want to play it aggressive, get it on that 20-day and then just ride it to the 200-day and see if it breaks out. Maybe take half profits there at that 200-day and then see if the rest of your profits take out that 200-day. SJT, I've had this one on my list for a while. Nice pullback to that 20-day moving average and a bounce. Low volume, so that's something to be concerned about, but see if it could take out that 19 level. BIOS, I like the flag on this one. It's starting to get tighter and tighter. Volume's falling off here on this consolidation. Look for it to break out above 660 level-ish. HES had a nice little pop here and then a messy little flag going sideways. You can see the consolidation has been pretty strong here on the intraday. This one's a little bit messier, but this buy volume is incredible. So I'm definitely going to watch it. ARIA, I've been watching this one forever, seeing if it could take out this downtrend. Unfortunately, hasn't. I'm waiting to buy it over that 20-day moving average. I'm just going to buy it there and then see if I can't get over that downtrend. It bounced off that 50-day moving average, so let's see if it can actually get up there this time. CHRS, this one's a slow mover. It's a slow grinder. It doesn't really break out that much. Look for it to kind of tap here and then take off, but this is definitely a swing stock. Don't really look to day trade this one because just the profits coming in during the day just won't be that great. But it definitely makes for a good swing. As you can see, it has a nice steady pace running up and a couple of down days in there, but this one's definitely good for a bounce off that 20-day. RGC, had this one on my watch list yesterday. Definitely looks to come over that 14 range. I would ignore this spike right here for looking targets wise and maybe look up here for that 14.15, maybe even that 14.30 level. YNDX, a nice little popping little flag going here. Pretty easy one to see. Definitely looks good on that intraday setup, that 23.45 level. Alright, everyone, that's it. Good luck. Like I said, see if the bulls can hold this bounce off this little support area. If not, we got the 50-day moving average right below us. That's where I would expect another bounce to happen. And below that is where I'm going to start getting defensive, getting short. Good luck, everyone.